In this video, I'm going to show you how to add grain in Lightroom Mobile to give your photos that beautiful film-style texture. This is a super quick edit, but it makes a huge difference if you want a more vintage, organic, or cinematic look. Grain can help your image feel less digital and a lot more natural, especially for portraits, lifestyle photos, travel shots, and moody edits. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom Mobile tips and easy editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and load the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, look at the editing tools at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Effects panel. This is where Lightroom keeps the grain controls, along with other texture-based adjustments. Inside Effects, scroll until you find Grain. You'll see a few different sliders, and the first one you want to adjust is Amount. Start by increasing the grain amount to somewhere between 20 and 40 if you want a natural look. A lower amount keeps the effect subtle, while a higher amount makes the grain more visible and stylized. For most photos, a moderate setting works best because it adds texture without making the image look overly noisy. Next, move to the size slider. This controls how large the grain particles appear. If you want a fine, soft grain that looks more realistic, keep the size around 20 to 30. Smaller grain usually works well for portraits and cleaner edits, while larger grain can create a rougher, more dramatic effect. After that, adjust the Roughness slider. Roughness affects the character of the grain and how organic it feels. A good range here is 40 to 60 if you want that classic film texture. Higher roughness can make the grain feel a little more random and gritty, while lower roughness gives a smoother result. The best way to do this is to make small adjustments and watch how the photo changes in real time. If your image is bright and clean, a subtle grain setting may be enough. If you're going for a true vintage film look, you can push it a little more until it feels right. The key is to keep it tasteful and balanced, so the grain enhances the photo instead of distracting from it. Once you're happy with the look, tap the checkmark or confirm button to apply the edit. And that's it. You've now added grain in Lightroom Mobile for a more textured, film-inspired finish. This is one of the easiest ways to give your photos a professional, edited feel without overcomplicating the process. If you want more Lightroom Mobile tutorials just like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.